Today we'll be learning about how to insert columns in Microsoft Word. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. But before that, support our channel by hitting the like button, subscribe button and pressing the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you'll have to click on this layout tab at the top of the screen, and here you can easily find out the columns in this page setup section. So let's click on column, and in this drop down menu box you can find out different option to set your columns. So you can click on this 3 as per your requirement, and here you can see that the changes has already been made on your document on Microsoft Word, and it has been changed to columns. So if you want more, then you can again click on this column and click on more columns. And here there are many options, 1 2 3 left, right, and if you want to increase the number of columns you can click on this arrow like option and make it 4 5 6. Change the width and the spacing as well, and you can apply to whole document, or if you don't want then you can click on it and this point forward only you can keep. So in this way you can customize, and after that click on OK. And here you can see that again the changes has already been made to 5 columns. So in this way you can easily insert columns in Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and comment if you have inquiries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.